Hello art lovers, welcome back to another art video. I'm Japneet and you're watching by Peacock Arts. Today we are going to paint a beautiful lotus painting and it's inspired from Pichwai Indian painting style. We are not going to paint exactly by that style, but we'll be making changes according to our will. We are going to use acrylic colors and we'll be painting on this 8" by 8" canvas board. You can also use acrylic paper for this, and it's a very easy painting. Even the beginners would feel confident painting this. So without wasting any time, let's jump into today's painting. We are going to start with the background first, and in my palette I have titanium white, lemon yellow, cadmium yellow, deep hue, or you can skip all these colors and just use cadmium yellow. So this is our first layer, or you can call it a base layer. We will cover the background completely with this cadmium yellow and let it dry. After it dries up, you can go over it again with the second layer, and in the second layer you will be able to cover all the gaps that were left in the first layer. So here I haven't shown you my second layer, but I did 2 coats of this color, and now I'm moving on to the lotus. And before giving it the main color, I am giving it a base with titanium white. By giving a base, it becomes really easy for the next layers to blend. And let me give some background about Pichwai Indian style of painting. This very style was originated over 400 years ago, and it was originated in Rajasthan. And this style depicts the tales of Lord Krishna's life. Pichwai paintings and the lotus flower are almost synonymous with each other. The lotus flower was so loved by Lord Krishna that other than holding one lotus in his right hand and wearing a garland of lotuses, even his bed was decorated with lotus flowers. Hence the importance of lotus in Pichwai paintings. So now I'm taking cadmium red hue mixed with titanium white to get this beautiful pink tone. And at the top and at the bottom, the color will be dark, and in the mid of the petals it will be very light. So for blending the colors, I am using Deerfoot Stippler. Though this brush is used for different purpose, but I found it very good for blending the two colors. The real Pichwai painting style has so many elements in it, but I am modifying it in my own style, and I want to keep it very simple and basic. And this is a very easy painting. Anybody can do this. If you want to see a complete Pichwai art style in my painting, you can mention in the comments below, and I'll get back to you with the solution video. If you are finding this video interesting, you can hit the like button, and you may also like to subscribe to my channel for future videos. Here for the petals, I am using the same technique. we want the top and the bottom to be darker, and we are leaving the mid section light. By playing with the shades, we are able to get a 3D look. I chose to paint a lotus flower because I am a spiritual person, and the lotus flower is regarded as a symbol of purity and enlightenment. Even when its roots are in the dirtiest waters, the lotus produces the most beautiful flower. Isn't it inspiring? There is so much to learn from the nature. I had made a lotus flower in watercolors as well, and I am giving a link in the corner. You can go and watch it. If you are a watercolor artist, that would be really helpful for you. And for these leaves, I am using a mixture of sap green and Viridian. I am using the direct greens from the color box, but you can also create your own green color by mixing Persian blue and yellow. Here I am going to give an outline around the petals with cadmium red hue. It's better to use a darker color for the outline. We are almost done with our painting, and in the background we are going to arrange some dot pattern. For these dots, I am using sap green color, and I'll also be using titanium white for another set of dots. Isn't it beautiful? Let me know your views in the comments below. So here we have our painting of the day. Did you like this painting? Let me know your views and opinions in the comments below. And if you would like me to paint a complete Pachwai art, you can mention that also in the comments. And you can check me on Facebook and Instagram for more painting ideas. I have mentioned the links in the description, and you can also purchase my art. That link is also mentioned in description. So I'll see you next time with something new and interesting. Till then, keep painting.